Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Students, let's start today's morning with a new and easy topic of English grammar, that is the determiners. In this video, we are going to learn about the definition of the determiners, kinds of determiners. So let's get started. Students, let's know the definition first of all. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. Look at the examples which are given here. My pen, this ceremony, a Coca-Cola can. Any question? That jar, a lot of food, a disappointed parent. Here, children, you can see that with before all the nouns, one determiner has been added. That's why it is said that determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. Here are some more examples of determiners like the, an, a, this, one, my, your, a little, which, other, those, most, and so on. Further, children, these are the types of determiners which we are going to discuss. The very first is article, demonstrative, quantifiers, possessives, number, distributives, and question words. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, let's know about articles. It's not a new topic for you children. This you have been learning since your junior classes. We all know that there are three articles, a and the. Out of these three, two are indefinite articles, which are a and an, and the is definite article. The indefinite articles a and an signal that the reference is non-specific or general. The definite article the signals that the reference is specific. Indefinite article are a and an. Of course, a is used before consonant sound and an before a vowel sound, like a kite, an umbrella, a kite. K is consonant, so A will be used before that. Umbrella, a sound is there which is of vowel, so of course an will be used. Further we have definite article which is the. The is used at the beginning of a noun group to refer to someone or something that is already mentioned or identified. A boy went for a walk with his dog. The boy came back soon. Here already the boy is mentioned. That's why in second phrase the will be used before boy. Here we have two more examples. The visitors are coming. Since it is a plural noun, so the article will be used. A box of chocolate was eaten by Lance. Here, box is singular. Moreover, B is consonant, so obviously A article will be used. Now see children, use of indefinite article in detail. Always remember, indefinite article is used before a singular noun which is countable and mentioned for the first time. A cat is an animal. I saw a boy. So use of indefinite article before singular noun, before countable noun. Next is, it is used before the name of profession also. I am a teacher. My father is a teacher. His brother is an engineer. So before profession also, an indefinite articles are used. They are used at the beginning of certain numerical expressions: a dozen, half a dozen, 100, a kilometer, etc. So, with numerical expressions also, before numerical expressions also, indefinite article is used. Next, it is used in expressions of price, speed, ratio, etc. A kilo, a rupee, a dozen, 3 times a day. So, for price, speed, and ratio, indefinite article a and an are used. It is used in exclamation before singular countable noun. What a big scenery! What a cold day! What a handsome boy! So, in exclamations before singular countable noun, a and an are used. Next, we have use of definite article. Definite article is used before nouns of which there is only one. Obviously, sun, sky, south pole, they are one only. So, article the will be used, which is a definite article. Another use is, it is used before a noun which has become definite as a result of being mentioned again. Earlier, he met a girl. Now we are talking about this girl only. So now this will become the girl because we are talking about this girl only. That's why it is mentioned that it is used before a noun which has become definite as a result of being mentioned again. Means earlier also it was mentioned, that's why. Next use, it is used before a noun followed by a relative clause: whom, that, which. These are relative clauses. So it is used before a noun followed by a relative clause. Next is, it is used before a noun which represents only one particular person or thing. I met the teacher. The teacher means my teacher only. He left her in the garden means the garden is there in his house or her house. Next use, quite common, it is used before superlatives: the best, the most interesting, the most wonderful, the worst, etc. It is used before singular noun which represent a class. The cow means all the cows. The rose, all the roses. The rich should help the poor. The intelligent should help the average. So the means which represent, singular noun means which represent a whole class. In those cases also the, which is a definite article, is used. Definite article the is used before the names of rivers, seas, chains of mountains, the plural names of countries like the Yamuna, the Pacific Ocean, the Alps, the USA, the Netherlands. It is used before musical instruments. He was playing on the harmonium. With musical instruments also, the is used. It is used before an adjective that is used to represent a class of person. Let us pray for the dead means all the dead person. Further, the definite article the is omitted. Omitted means removed in expressions such as go to bed, go to school, go to market, and so on. Examples are also given. The children went to school, of course, to study there. I went to the school to see the teacher. Here, the school stands for a specific building, but if we are using go to bed, go to school, then the is omitted means removed. Next type is demonstrative determiners. In demonstratives, you need to remember only these four words. Two are singular, two are plural, this, that, these, those, and they always show who or what is being referred to. Examples: this pair of shoes is mine. I think that girl is their leader. Here, this and that are demonstrative determiners. Next, we have possessives. In possessive determiners, these are the words like my, his, her, etc., and they always show to whom something belongs to or is connected with. I lost my pen. She kept her promise. His wife. So these are the words which show to whom or what something belongs to. Next type is quantifiers. Quantifiers are used to refer quantity of something. Like first is each and every. Each boy was given a pen. Every good student should study his or her subject carefully. Each refers to every member of the group considering them individually. Every refers to all the members of a group, not only some of them. Any, either, neither. Any, these are used in negative form, negative sentences and questions. Any can replace all and every in positive sentence. Any new student will have to register himself. Negative. Every new student will have to register himself. All new students will have to register themselves. So any shows negativity and every and all shows positivity. Next is either. When there are only two objects, we use either instead of any and it shows positivity. You could either ask of the boys. I have two options, either I can choose that or this. Neither, we use neither to refer to each of the two things or people when we are making a negative statement. Neither boy could speak properly means the answer will be in no, and no is a negative word, of course. Next we have some and any. They can be used as determiners with countable nouns. He bought some books. Of course, the books can be counted. Have you any idea where he has gone? They can both refer to quantity and number. any pencil, some pencil, any coffee, some coffee. Means any and some, they are used as determiners with countable noun. Next is no and enough. No means negative quantifier, while enough means as much as you need or as much is necessary. There was no audience, total negativity. They had enough money to buy. Positivity is there, and enough itself means sufficient quantity. Much, many, and several. Much is generally used in front of countable nouns. Many is used before plural countable nouns. How much money can you give me? It's not definite, so uncountable. I have met many players, of course I can count them. So that's why it is written that they are used in front of. Much is used in front of uncountable noun. Many is used in front of countable noun. Several is used to refer to an imprecise number of people or thing that is not large but greater than two. Before indefinite it is used, but here doesn't mean large, but yes, of course it means more than two. They have been living here for several years, means they are living here for more than 2 or 3 years. Next, few, a few. Few and a few are used for number. Few and a few are used with countable noun in the plural. There were few boys means not many. Take care of the difference between few and a few. Few means not many. A few means a small number was at least there. They are used with countable nouns before countable noun. Little and a little are used before uncountable noun, and little means not much, but a little means at least some quantity was there. Next is more and less. Of course, more means, first of all, they are comparative determiners. More occurs with plural, while less generally occurs with uncountable noun. They admitted more students this year than they did last year. Comparison is there. There has been more activity than usual, means a little more. These machines use less water than the old ones. It is clearly written that more and less are comparative determiners, and comparative determiners, of course, if in the sentence than is there, it shows comparison, and more and less are comparative determiners. Further, last is interrogatives. In interrogatives, what, which, whose are known are always mentioned. They are obviously used to ask questions. What crime are committed these days? Which house do you live in? Whose bill are you paying? So, for asking questions, these determiners are used. Let's discuss about ordinal and cardinal numbers also. Ordinal numbers means first, second, last, 20. They are used to show the position of someone or something in series. Now let's understand with an example. Luffy defeated the first commander in Blackbeard Pirates. Second commander, third commander. So these are called ordinal numbers. Now cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here examples are given. 2 dogs are barking. 30 Lausian leaders attended the seminar. Children, I hope that the explanation of determiners is clear to all of you. You have understood it well. Now, children, start doing practicing because without practice, grammar is impossible. Do your exercises in your book. Till then, goodbye. In next video, we will meet with a new topic of grammar. Take care of yourself. God bless you all.